Have you ever wondered about the coldest planet in our solar system? It's not Pluto, as many might assume, it's Uranus. An unexpected answer, isn't it? Yes, tucked away in the outskirts of our solar system, quietly circling the sun, is the ice giant Uranus. With a reputation often overshadowed by its more illustrious planetary neighbours, Uranus is an enigma that holds a chilling secret. It is, in fact, the coldest planet in the solar system, colder even than Pluto, which sits even farther from the sun. How can this be? What elements conspire to make this distant planet colder than one might anticipate? It's a question that has sparked the curiosity of scientists and space enthusiasts alike, and the answers may surprise you, so join us on this voyage of discovery as we delve into the mysteries of our universe. So, let's dive into the icy world of Uranus, where temperatures can plummet to bone-chilling lows. Uranus, unlike other planets visible to the naked eye, was not known to ancient observers. This celestial body, cloaked in a veil of deep blue, remained hidden from our ancestors, waiting patiently for its moment of discovery. Enter Sir William Herschel, an astronomer of note and a musician of talent. Herschel was not born into the world of astronomy, but rather he found it, much like the planet that would make his name immortal. In the year 1781, under the cover of a clear night sky in Bath, England, Herschel was observing the stars with a telescope of his own making when he noticed an odd, disc-shaped object. At first, Herschel thought he had found a new comet, but as he observed this object night after night, he recognized that its movement did not match the usual trajectory of a comet. Fueled by curiosity, Herschel reached out to fellow astronomers, sharing his observations. This led to a flurry of telescopic examinations across Europe. As observations poured in, the reality began to unfold. The object Herschel had discovered was not a comet, but a planet beyond the orbit of Saturn, the farthest known planet at the time. This was a revelation that shook the foundation of astronomical understanding. It was the first planet discovered with a telescope, expanding the known boundaries of our solar system. This discovery was so monumental that it challenged the very nomenclature of the planets. Until then, all known planets were named after Roman deities. However, Herschel proposed to name his discovery Georgium Sidus, or George's Star, after his patron, King George III. But the international astronomical community decided on a different name, one that would align with the tradition of naming planets after ancient deities. They named it Uranus, after the Greek god of the sky. Herschel's discovery opened up a whole new realm in our solar system, pushing the boundaries of the known universe. His find was not just a triumph for him, but for all of mankind, reminding us of the endless mysteries that our universe holds, waiting to be discovered. Uranus, a gas giant, is the 7th planet from the Sun and the 3rd largest. Imagine a world so vast that it could encompass 50 Earths and then some. That's Uranus for you. It's a behemoth, sprawling across a diameter of approximately 51,000 kilometers. This colossal planet is mainly composed of an icy mix of water, ammonia and methane, encased in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. It's a swirling, churning mass of gases and ices, set against the backdrop of the cold void of space. Now let's delve a little deeper into the majestic hues that adorn this planet. Uranus presents a mesmerizing blue-green spectacle that sets it apart from its celestial brethren. This captivating color is no mere aesthetic. It's a testament to the planet's composition. The methane in Uranus's atmosphere absorbs the red part of sunlight, reflecting back the blue and green portions and giving the planet its distinctive color. But the quirks of Uranus don't end there. This planet is unique in more ways than one. Most notably, it has an extraordinary tilt. Unlike other planets that spin on an axis relatively perpendicular to their orbit, Uranus spins almost on its side. This results in an axis tilt of a staggering 98 degrees. This peculiar orientation leads to extreme seasons that are unlike anything we experience on Earth. Each pole gets around 21 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 21 years of darkness. Imagine a summer that lasts for over 2 decades, followed by a winter just as long. It's a stark contrast to the changing seasons we're accustomed to here on Earth. In the grand theatre of our solar system, Uranus plays a role that is both fascinating and dramatic. Its size, composition, colour and tilt all combine to make it a planet of extraordinary characteristics. Uranus, with its unique features, stands as a celestial body of intrigue and beauty. The climate on Uranus is, in a word, extreme. Venture with me now to a world of cold like no other, where temperatures can plummet to negative 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, you heard that right. Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system, even colder than Neptune, which is farther from the Sun. You might be wondering, how can this be? Well, the answer lies in its peculiar internal structure. Unlike other gas giants, Uranus lacks sufficient internal heat. It's like a giant, frigid ball with a tiny heart of warmth. Now imagine a storm, but not just any storm. These are storms of methane, swirling in a dance of icy blue clouds. These storms can reach speeds up to 560 miles per hour. That's faster than the most potent hurricanes on Earth. This tempestuous weather is due to Uranus's unique tilt, which also results in its extremely long seasons. Speaking of which, let's delve into Uranus's seasons. Picture this: a planet on its side, its axis nearly parallel to its path around the Sun. This is Uranus. This unusual tilt, believed to be the result of a catastrophic collision long ago, causes each pole to be engulfed in continuous sunlight or darkness for about 21 years at a time. Yes, a single season on Uranus lasts longer than 2 decades. But why does this matter? Well, the extreme conditions on Uranus provide a unique laboratory for studying atmospheric dynamics, helping scientists understand not only this distant world, but also atmospheric phenomena right here on Earth. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, Uranus stands out as a world of extremes, where the usual rules of planetary science are turned on their heads. It's a place of frigid cold, fierce storms, and seasons that last longer than some human lifetimes. Uranus's extreme weather makes it one of the most fascinating planets to study. The beauty of Uranus extends beyond the planet itself to its rings and moons. This celestial giant is home to a system of rings and a family of 27 known moons, each with its unique charm. The rings and moons of Uranus are a spectacle in themselves, each contributing to the mystique of the 7th planet from the Sun. The rings of Uranus are not as flashy as Saturn's, but they hold a subtle elegance, composed mainly of dark particles ranging in size from tiny grains to large boulders. These rings orbit the planet in 13 distinct bands. Unlike the bright, icy rings of Saturn, Uranus's rings are dark and thin, almost ethereal, reflecting the mysterious character of the planet they encircle. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of Uranus's moons. With names lifted straight from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope, these moons are as intriguing as the characters they're named after. Among the 27 moons, there are 5 major ones: Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. Titania, the largest of Uranus's moons, is a world of its own. With a landscape scarred by enormous canyons and high cliffs, it's an intriguing contrast to its sister moon, Oberon. Oberon, the second largest moon, is pockmarked by craters, a silent testament to the cosmic battles it has faced over the eons. Ariel and Umbriel, despite being smaller than Titania and Oberon, are no less interesting. Ariel is known for its network of fault valleys and canyons, while Umbriel remains enigmatic with its dark surface. Finally, there's Miranda, the smallest of the major moons, yet arguably the most fascinating with its chaotic terrain and extreme geologic activity. These moons, with their differing landscapes and compositions, are a testament to the diversity and complexity of the universe. Each one, with its unique character, adds to the rich tapestry of Uranus's celestial family. In the grand theatre of the cosmos, Uranus and its moons and rings play a starring role, a spectacle of celestial wonders that continue to captivate us. The complex system of moons and rings around Uranus adds another level to its allure. Indeed, the beauty of Uranus extends far beyond the planet itself. Our journey through the cold and fascinating world of Uranus ends here, but the exploration of our vast solar system is far from over. As we bid goodbye to the icy giant, we turn our gaze outward, toward the edge of the known universe. There, we find Neptune, the last planet in our celestial neighborhood. Neptune, like Uranus, is a gas giant, yet it holds its own unique mysteries and wonders. It's a world of intense winds and dark, icy storms, where a year lasts for 165 Earth years. Imagine that. We'll delve into Neptune's discovery, its physical attributes, its climate, and its intriguing system of moons and rings. Just as we've unravelled the mysteries of Uranus, we'll explore the enigmas that Neptune holds. Join us next time as we venture further into the depths of our solar system, to the mysterious and distant world of Neptune. Until then, keep looking up at the stars.